Hey everyone, I hope you all are having a really good day so far. My name is Angelo Sudarshan, and today we'll be taking a kind of first impressions and unboxing of the Galaxy Buds Live. So the thing is, these are not like the typical earbuds you'd find with silicone tips such as the AirPods Pro or the Galaxy Buds Plus. But instead, these are similar to the regular AirPods where they kind of just like sit in your ear. And I decided to kind of pick one of these up as I always kind of get like my ear clogged, kind of like a clogged ear feeling. So these will probably not have that feeling. And well, the Galaxy Buds, so they're really customizable in the app. So these were announced last year in 2020, back when the Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra were also announced. So these buds are around 4 months old. And well, a lot of people have already reviewed these, and I'm kind of late to the show, but decided to pick one of these up and look at them. But I think the really interesting part about this is the fact that I didn't actually get these brand new. In fact, I went online and bought a pair for $69 US, which is an absolute steal, but I was really worried about getting scammed. So the first thing I did was when I got this out of the packaging, I checked the text to see if it was like a thicker kind of text. And well, so far the packaging doesn't really look fake, but obviously it's damaged, and well, the sides are kind of held together with scotch tape. And yeah, I mean, it's not the best example, but to be fair, these are used. But also, it doesn't really look fake, so that's the part I'm happy about. So before I waste too much of your time, let's unbox these and take a look at these. Alright, let's flip it over. Kind of get this. I think I can just shake it out, pull it. It's a little bit of a tough packaging. Wait, I forgot to cut out the tape. Okay. Yep. And you have your Galaxy Buds, which I bought these in the black colorway, and it looks like there's a little like kind of stain on the A, and it comes off. It's probably like some booger. And yeah, there's like a few like kind of sticky stuff, and the buds look absolutely phenomenal. Wow. So these are used, so I'm a little worried about COVID and everything, so I'm probably gonna clean these off before I put these on, but I'm gonna put this to the side. It says Samsung Sound by AKG, which is pretty cool. We have a USB-C port, which is something I really wanted in the AirPods Pro box. And this is the USB-C to USB-A cable, which is awesome. And I think that's pretty much it with the box. Those of you who wanted to compare the box size of the AirPods Pro and the Galaxy Buds Live, this is your size comparison. They're like somewhat like the same size. The AirPods Pro box is a little bigger, obviously. It's a little bigger, but like when you open these up, you have like different things inside. So this is a little sticky, so it's a little hard to open. So yeah, so they're similar, but the AirPods Pro being having like an in-ear design has like this three options, like 3 sizes, and this one does kind of like a one size fits all. Alright, so I kind of got rid of most of the residue off the back, and it'll probably go away as time progresses. So yeah, so my first impressions of the case are that it's really nice. It's really shiny because it's in that black color, and the earbuds are like really nice. They look cool. The thing is, there's like a adjustable like rubber tip, as you can see here, and the problem is that they didn't actually include the other sizes. But it's fine, just because, for $69, I mean, it's a fraction of the price, and it's what you're getting. I mean, I'm not even mad. I mean, there's literally no damages I can find on this case. So with these earbuds, I don't really know if they sit as firmly, so I'm gonna try and actually shake them out. So let's try it. Oh, and they came out literally right away. And here are the AirPods Pros. So literally they cannot like come out. Like I've tried it, and they've never ever like come out. So yeah, so that's basically how the Galaxy Buds Live compare when you kind of shake the case. And even now I'm still shaking it, and it won't even budge. Like they don't even move. Like super strong magnets. If you guys didn't already know, basically there's like this app called the Samsung Galaxy Buds app, and it works with all the Galaxy Buds. It has a 2.1 star rating, so I'm a little concerned, but this is where you'll find all your like settings, and like you could adjust the earbuds. See these cool settings right here. So I'm gonna download this really quickly, and I'll be back. Alright, so I got the app installed. So you have like all kinds of EQ settings, like you have soft, bass boost. I'll probably leave it in bass boost just because. We have active noise cancellation, which let's try it out. And if I were to turn it on, I could still hear it. It basically doesn't work, but it kind of like gives you a little bit of isolation, but it's pretty much non-apparent. So having these in my ear, they're somewhat comfortable. I was expecting them to kind of feel like a little smaller and a little bit like kind of thinner, but you know, these kind of are in my ears. I'll show you a little b-roll on how they look like in my ears. But definitely I do like the kind of looser feeling of these, and they just like a light, and they just like happen to just like sit in my ear, unlike the AirPods Pro that feel a little bit more jammed in. But it depends on what you like, so I would consider, you know, going to like your Samsung store and like looking at these earbuds before getting these. And you basically have to have like the perfect ears in order for noise cancellation to actually work. And unfortunately, I don't have those like ears that this earbud was designed for. But buying into these earbuds, I already knew that I probably wasn't going to get good noise cancellation, and that's what I have the AirPods Pro for. But, you know, if you already have a good pair of like headphones that have noise cancellation and stuff like that, I would definitely recommend going for these Galaxy Bud Lives, just because you know, they're really light feeling in your ear. And yeah, I mean, honestly, I can't really say anything wrong about the fit. So looking around the app for a couple of minutes, there's a lot of settings, as you can see here in the EQ. But we have touch controls, like we can configure all these. You know, we have this, like we can relieve pressure with ambient sound. There's a lot of cool stuff. But I think that you know, so far, like I'm starting like these earbuds. These are definitely not AirPods Pro competitors. And the AirPods Pro are definitely better for me, like so far, of like what I've been seeing with these earbuds. But I think that these will probably be really good. And yeah. So just before I end off this video, I wanted to tell you something I found about the hinge. So with the hinge on the AirPods Pro, and a lot of other people have been like noticing this, it's like really shaky. Like, hear this out. So it makes this sound. So like when you're here, like it'll like shake. Well, usually there'll be like that kind of thing, but this is normal. But here you don't have that. Here, I think you can hear a little bit, but it's not as apparent as in the AirPods Pro. But with the AirPods Pro, you have a much more solid feeling case. Here it feels kind of lighter and cheaper, but you know, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing so far. I didn't really have these earbuds long enough to kind of comment on these too much, but if you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'm gonna have a full review on these coming soon, and I'm also gonna compare these to the AirPods Pro, as these are my other earbuds that I've had for some time. And with that, I'm gonna let you all go until next time, and make sure to have a good rest of your day. See you until next time. Bye.